Cooking up vocabulary. Kitchen utensils and appliances in English. Hello there, English learners. Welcome back to our video series. Today, we're going to spice things up a bit as we learn English words related to the kitchen. Specifically, we'll focus on kitchen utensils and appliances, a key part of our evening routine of preparing and having dinner. So, put on your chef hat, and let's get cooking with these new English words. In this section, we're going to learn about common kitchen utensils that you might use when preparing dinner. Let's start. Spoon. A tool with a handle and a small bowl-like shape at the end, usually used for stirring or serving food. Fork. A utensil with several prongs, typically used for picking up and eating food. Knife. A tool with a sharp edge, used for cutting or chopping food. Chopping board. A durable board on which food can be cut and chopped. Spatula. A broad, flat, flexible utensil, used for mixing food or scraping it from a pan. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these words as much as possible in your daily conversation. Now let's move on to kitchen appliances. These are larger items that help us to cook or prepare food. Stove. An appliance that generates heat for cooking food, either on top or in an enclosed oven. Oven. An appliance used for roasting, baking, or heating food. Microwave. A fast heating appliance that uses electromagnetic waves to heat food. Refrigerator, or fridge. An appliance that uses refrigeration to preserve food. Dishwasher. An appliance used to clean and dry dishes and utensils. Try to incorporate these words into your English vocabulary as you talk about preparing and cooking your meals. And that's it for today's lesson on kitchen utensils and appliances. Remember, these are just some of the most common tools and appliances we find in our kitchens. There are many more to explore, and we hope this video has whetted your appetite for English learning. Keep practicing these words as you prepare and enjoy your evening meals, and we're sure you'll master them in no time. Until next time, keep cooking up great English conversations.